So hello guys, welcome back to Kira, Nelson, and Autumn's ASMR. We're doing a mukbang today with, not really a mukbang, but like food, cause it's loud, I guess. DQ.
Where did you find her at? We didn't know. Around the mailbox right there, and she was just walking and she was really tired.
So good.
Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I thought she was gonna go missing forever. Like, I really didn't think I was gonna be able to catch her again. I recognize her because, like, I see a lot of videos and she looks exactly like Blue. So, yeah. Oh my god.
Thank you. What's your name?
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Wendy, for helping out.
Thank you. She wasn't hurt or anything, was she? No, I don't think so. Blue, you cannot be running out like that. Okay? Look, this is a busy road. You could have ran over.
Wait, where was she at?
Yeah, we're going with the mailbox and like right over there.
That's fine, yeah.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. We should probably take you to the vet just to check.
Yeah, we can check out, yeah.
Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, bye guys.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
You got so lucky.
Oh my god.
That's a miracle. You know, luckily Wendy found Blue.
Should we take it to the vet?
Wait, check her really quick. Let me see. Let me check her out. She okay? Well, luckily she didn't get ran over or anything. That's lucky, actually.
Blue baby.
It was so hot today, she probably got so tired and just wanted to go to the first person she saw.
She okay?
Blue baby, where were you? They look
She seems fine.
so dirty now.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're probably hot. It's hot outside. It's like 90 degrees out.
Now we have to put that gate there.
Hey, we have to like do something. Like she's gonna like end up running away again.
We're just lucky she's alive, honestly. She could have been run over for sure.
You got lucky that she knew like what Blue looked like, because you know, if anything, she could have called like the animal
Yeah,
shelter.
or
You know?
Blue could have got stolen too, you know, by anyone random.
Exactly. Yeah, you're lucky like she found her.
We have to be careful. Like we have to get Blue back to get through that and make sure she's okay.
Yeah, luckily she was still in the neighborhood. She could have went onto the main street. That's bad.
Shaky. No, I'm just happy we found her.
Yeah. That's bad.
You know, she could have actually. Welcome back. So as you guys can see, I have Lucas and Marcus here.
How you confusing me? I'm your boyfriend.
Guys.
Lucas and Marcus here. We're gonna have a challenge. You guys ready for the challenge?
What is it?
So the challenge is eating gas station food for 24 hours.
That's what we're doing?
Yeah, so breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all at gas station food. So all you can eat is some gas station food.
Yo, nah, gas station food is baddie. Bro. Well, I mean, that's why whoever gives the first loses.
Yeah,
Whoever
the
survives.
winner, there is a cash prize for the winner.
Alright, I'll try to survive. Even if I throw up, we'll see what happens.
You're down for the challenge?
That's it for now. Bye guys. Make sure you subscribe and like my video.